Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY McDonald's fries at home. Now this is one of my favorite recipes that I've tried recently, and you can totally make it for yourself. So the ingredients you're going to need to make these are some soy milk, some beef broth, or you could use beef stock. You're also going to need some baking powder, which I know sounds a little weird. We are not doing any baking here, but this is a key ingredient. You're also going to need some sort of oil to fry the french fries. So here I'm using canola oil, but you can really use whatever you want. And then lastly, you're going to need some thin cut french fries that you can find in the freezer aisle. So you're going to heat a pan on medium heat and pour in the oil, and then you're going to wait until that gets to 375 degrees. So then to make the little batter mixture, you're going to pour the beef broth, the soy milk, some ice, and the baking powder into a little bowl, and I will have all the measurements linked down below. And then you're just going to whisk it all together until the baking powder is combined. So once everything is combined, you can go ahead and pour in half of the bag of the french fries, and then toss it with your hands, and then put the french fries on a baking sheet that's lined with like a Silpat liner, just so it doesn't stick. And then once you're done with this, you can go ahead and pour in the rest of the fries, repeat it, and then you're actually going to pop the fries in the freezer just until the oil is heated. So once the oil is ready to go, you can go ahead and drop in some fries, and you're going to want to be sure to stir them constantly just so they're not sticking to each other or sticking to the pan. And you're going to fry these at 375 for about 2 minutes. So once they're done, you can go ahead and put them on a baking tray lined with paper towels just to get the excess oil off, and then you can go ahead and sprinkle them with salt, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!